Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, it can never happen that you ask me for something and I don't do it. Guys, keeping the legacy alive, I gave you a tour of the Delhi NCR campus. I gave you a tour of their Bangalore campus, and now I am the first person to give you a tour of their newly launched Jaipur campus. Yes guys, I am talking about Mirai School of Technology, and they are launching their third campus in India, which is in Jaipur. Guys, I have the whole day here on the campus. I'm going to give you a tour of the classrooms, the labs. I'm going to showcase you the hostels, the common areas, each and everything. This is going to be a super fun and a very informative video. Without any further ado, let's get started. Let's go. Ta-da! Guys, welcome to Mirai School of Technology's Jaipur campus. First and foremost, thank you so much for all the love that you've given to my previous videos of Mirai School of Technology, the Delhi NCR campus as well as the Bangalore campus. I'm so glad that so many of you students watched those videos and joined those campuses. In fact, till today, I get so many warm messages from so many of you people. Bhaiya, thank you so much. आपके कारण हम यहाँ आ गए, हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. All of those things make me really very good. Now guys, talking about this particular campus, Mirai School of Technology has collaborated with Jagannath University in Jaipur, and this is a 12-acre campus which is all for you guys to come and explore. A lot of information I need to give you, but first and foremost, let me talk about the location. Now guys, Mirai School of Technology's Jaipur campus is situated in Sitapura, and around this area also there are a lot of universities and everything which are there. A lot of good student areas are also there, like cafes and accommodations and all of those things. As far as the connectivity is concerned, it is very well connected because the airport is just 15 kilometers away, which will take you about 30 minutes. Even the railway station is about 30-40 kilometers away, which is just going to take you about 45-50 minutes. And even the bus connectivity and all is pretty good. So in all, very connected area and pretty safe area. Now come with me. Okay guys, first impression, the campus looks really very green. And obviously it's Jaipur, so it's a little hot, but I'm liking all the, the hoardings and everything of Mirai School of Technology. Looks pretty good. And yeah, very good flags and so much greenery around. Pretty nice, yeah. I don't know, this building is giving me very palace sort of a vibe. Very typical of Jaipur and the Pink City. Come with me. Okay guys, welcome to the admin block here at Mirai School of Technology. This is where you can get directed to various things, whether you want to discuss or meet the faculty members or get your doubts, questions, queries, all of those things will happen here. Right now I'm going to take you to one of the most important rooms for you, which is the counseling room. Come with me. Guys, there are already parents who are sitting inside, so I will not disturb or speak very loudly, but come with me. Okay guys, so this is going to be your first spot on the campus. Any questions that you have about the fees, the scholarships, anything, all of those counselings happen here itself. It's a very good room and there's good AC, which you obviously cannot understand. But come with me. Okay, I can also see the founder of Mirai School of Technology. He's taking a counseling call right now, but let me disturb them a little bit. You know how I am. Arpit, hi, how are you?
I am good.
Kaisa chal raha hai? Bas, all good. I don't want to disturb you, but yeah. Hello, hi, how are you? Counseling is going on. I want to speak to you.
Perfect later.
चलो done. आप continue करो. ठीक है. Okay, pretty good. Guys, welcome to the no noise zone of Mirai School of Technology. This is their library. Right now, because there are not a lot of students in the library, I can speak loudly. But this is how your library here will look like. And again, guys, this is honestly bigger than what I expected. This is your whole common seating area. So multiple chairs and desks. Right now, there are not a lot of students, but during the exam time, this area is going to be filled with students because this is where you will come and start working for your exams or assignments, all of those things. That's not it, guys. This side you have the periodical section, so multiple periodicals, magazines and journals are here, which is really nice. That side are the newspapers. Now I'm going to take you to the area which is going to be very important, which is the book stacks here. Guys, multiple books here. One of the very good things is that these books are just not related to tech. You also have books related to law, management, paramedical sciences, all of those things. Now the reason for that is because this is a common library which is going to be shared between the students of Mirai School of Technology and Jagannath University students. So whenever you want to study something which is non-tech, you can just come up here, grab a book and start reading. So all in all, pretty good. Alright guys, I've finally gotten hold of Arpit, who's the founder of Mirai School of Technology. First of all, Arpit, welcome back on my channel.
Thank you so much. Thank you, and I'm really sorry उस वक्त मैं
you
counseling में
don't
था.
need to apologize. It's very important. Students are very important.
Yes.
Answering the doubts of parents is very important. Arpit, firstly, congratulations. In fact, double congratulations.
Thank you
Pehli
so
baat to yaar,
much.
first year has been completed of the High-Tech campus and the Ratnam campus. So congratulations for that.
Thank you, thank you.
And second, congratulations because you're launching the brand new Jaipur campus for Mirai School of Technology. So great. I just have a couple of questions I
Sure.
want you to answer. Firstly, now that you know the 1 year is completed and everything is there, but just in case for those who don't know about Mirai School of Technology, if you have to explain it to a layman, what is Mirai School of Technology?
तो बहुत सिंपल है यार. देखो इंडिया में ना जब 25 लाख बच्चे इंजीनियरिंग करे थे एंड वी हैव दिस होल ट्रेडिशनल एजुकेशन इकोसिस्टम व्हिच वाज सेट अप व्हिच वाज नॉट फुलफिलिंग द राइट कॉज. वी ऑल सी दोस रिपोर्ट्स कि यार 40% बच्चे जो ग्रेजुएट हो रहे हैं उनका एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी नहीं लग रही. That's where new age tech education started coming in. So we are one of the new age tech educations there, where the idea is simple. Without compromising on degree, how can you provide the right tech skills to the students? Right from day one, physics, chemistry, lathe machine, ये जो भी traditional system ने बनाया है, ठीक है, डिग्री के लिए ज़रूरी है, करना है. बट उसके साथ साथ डे वन से आप कंप्यूटर साइंस कैसे पढ़ सकते हो, उनको फ्यूचर प्रूफ कैसे बना सकते हो, उनको एम्प्लॉयबल कैसे बना सकते हो. दैट इज़ न्यू एज टेक एजुकेशन. वी स्टार्टेड लास्ट ईयर एंड द होल आइडिया इज कि डिग्री के साथ अगर बच्चों को राइट स्किल्स मिल सकती है तो व्हाई नॉट.
And that too at an affordable price, which again is very important. Now my second question is, see, I understand Delhi, I understand Bangalore, and you know those have been up and about running and great response about it. But आप कहीं पे भी कर सकते थे थर्ड कैंपस, हैदराबाद में कर सकते थे, you know anywhere. Why particularly Jaipur?
आई थिंक दैट 2 रीजंस.
Okay.
एक पर्सनल है.
Personal क्या है?
पर्सनल ये है कि जयपुर इज माई होम टाउन.
Oh, okay.
I am born and brought up in Jaipur. I've done my schooling here. My ghar is here. My parents are here. So
Okay,
Jaipur
very
is a
nice.
city which is very close to my heart.
Okay.
It's the pink city. This city has shaped me to who I am today. Right? So एक तो मुझे कुछ करना था
You
जयपुर
want to
में.
give it back to
Yes,
where
of
you
course.
grew from.
Of
Amazing.
course. That is personal reason. Second एक बहुत सिंपल था यार. जब हम दिल्ली में थे, जब हम बैंगलोर में थे, तो we are getting student queries from all over India, right? And it becomes difficult for certain section of students to travel all the way to Bangalore. बहुत दूर पड़ती है यार सिटी वो, और थोड़ी महंगी भी है. देखो बैंगलोर
Correct,
honestly,
correct.
living expenses थोड़े high हैं.
Correct.
And Delhi NCR Ghaziabad is also something which sometimes is far.
Right.
So people who are from let's say Punjab, Rajasthan, Haryana, they always wanted कि यार कुछ accessible location हो, कुछ अच्छी location हो.
जो घर के पास भी हो और अच्छी पढ़ाई भी हो जाए.
Correct. Affordable भी हो,
Right,
वो भी हो.
exactly.
तो Jaipur was fitting the bill from all angles.
Wow.
तो we thought why not.
Okay.
तो एक personal था और एक
Very,
I
very
think for
good.
students.
अच्छा, एक और क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, बुरा मत मानना, बट सी नाउ दैट 1 year has happened, ऐसा तो नहीं सब कुछ परफेक्ट हुआ होगा.
Yeah.
तो बड़े ऑनेस्टली सबको बताओ कि यार व्हाट ऑल डिड रियली वेल इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर एक्सपेक्टेशन, एंड क्या हुआ कि यार ओ माय गॉड इसको बदलना पड़ा या कुछ ऐसा.
अरे नहीं, इट वाज अ रोलर कोस्टर राइड. ऐसा नहीं है कि सब कुछ बहुत स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड होता है. आई थिंक eventually when students come in with their parents and when we start the classes, lot of things have to be figured out, right? एक एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट में अगर आपने एक क्लास अच्छे से कर ली ना, दैट्स द मोस्ट ब्रेकेबल इंडिविजुअल यूनिट. एक क्लास सही जाने के लिए फैकल्टी अच्छा होना चाहिए, करिकुलम अच्छा होना चाहिए, बच्चे अच्छे होने चाहिए, एडमिन इश्यूज नहीं होने चाहिए, प्रोजेक्टर, एसी, वाईफाई, बस, फूड,
Hostels,
lot of
friends,
things.
everything, yeah.
lot of things have to go right for just one class to progress perfectly.
Right.
And imagine हम दिन में बच्चों की 7-7 8 क्लासेस करा रहे हैं, फिर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हो रही है. तो ऐसा नहीं है सब कुछ बहुत ईजी जाएगा. But I think this year has been a year full of learning. We are really enthusiastic. Our children, like students who have joined us, काफ़ी enthusiastic folks हैं यार. मतलब they push us every day. They push us every day कि सर AI लैब में आप क्या करेंगे, कि सर रोबोटिक्स बनाने के लिए हमें ये इंक्यूबेंट चाहिए, हमें स्पोर्ट्स फेस्ट कराना है, हमें कल्चरल फेस्ट कराना है, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप सेल को गेस्ट स्पीकर्स बुलाने हैं. ईच एंड एवरीथिंग दे आर प्लानिंग इट. दे आर जस्ट आस्किंग फॉर आवर हेल्प कि सर आपसे इतना ही चाहिए, बाकी हम कर लेंगे खुद से. तो द फाउंडेशन बैच इज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग, दे कीप अस ऑनेस्ट, टू बी रियली ऑनेस्ट विद यू. मतलब वो हैं, दे आर रियली शेपिंग अप मिराई. वी ऑफकोर्स द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज देयर, फैकल्टी इज देयर, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. कैंपस के कभी कुछ हॉस्टल्स के इशूज़ आते हैं, कभी कुछ होता है, बट जब स्टूडेंट्स का भी इंटेंट है, पेरेंट्स का भी भरोसा है, एंड वी आर ऑल्सो देयर ऑन ग्राउंड विद देम, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो वर्कआउट नहीं हो सकता. दिस ईयर हैज़ बीन अ ईयर फुल ऑफ लर्निंग. बच्चों ने AI सबमिट कर लिया है, बच्चों ने खुद के हैकाथॉन्स करा लिए हैं. गूगल बिग कोड में वन ऑफ आवर स्टूडेंट्स हैव गॉटन सिलेक्टेड. आसपास के कॉलेजेस में वो कर रहे हैं. जब बच्चों ने स्पोर्ट्स फेस्ट कराया था, आई कांट इमेजिन, बट फुटबॉल टीम्स वो मेरठ से, गाजियाबाद से, इंदौर से, पता कहाँ कहाँ जगहों से उन्होंने टीम्स इनवाइट करी थी अलग।
अच्छा, तो पूरा स्पोर्ट्स कल्चर भी बढ़िया चल रहा है।
सब कुछ स्पोर्ट्स, देयर आर 4 clubs largely. There is a cultural club, there is entrepreneurship cell, there is a sports club, and then there is tech club also. Right, so all the clubs are doing their job, 10-15 students in each club. So I think Mirai mein na the culture which is shaping up, it's completely a student driven culture, which I feel is such a good thing. It is really shaping up how, when we say coding from day one hona hai,
Yes.
it's a very cohesive learning ecosystem that these guys have formed, honestly. And now they are pushing us every day कि कैसे इसको और better कर सकते हैं और अच्छा कर सकते हैं. One of our mentors right now who's teaching in high tech, he is Mr. Amit. He has come in from Microsoft.
Okay, wow.
He's working right now in Microsoft SDE2, and he has taken out some time to teach our students because बच्चे हमारे पास आए. उन्होंने बोला कि सर देखो बाकी सब बढ़िया है, सेकेंड ईयर में ना इंटर्नशिप करनी है तो उसके लिए पाइथन पढ़ना है, तो पाइथन पे कुछ शुरू कर सकते हैं क्या. तो कैन यू इमेजिन राइट नाउ इन हाई टेक 2 महीने का समर कैप चल रहा है, समर ब्रेक चल रहा है. उस समर ब्रेक में बच्चे 1 महीने, ऑल 100+ स्टूडेंट्स 1 महीने वो कैंपस में है समर ब्रेक में, और वो बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं सर मैं पाइथन पढ़ाओ. एंड देन वी हैव गॉटन दिस मेंटर फ्रॉम माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एंड ही इज टीचिंग देम पाइथन 3 hours every day in the classroom.
ये तो मैं मानता हूँ अर्पिता कि everybody who comes to new age, पहले तो they have a risk taking capacity. Secondly, they are very hungry to achieve.
They are.
Like irrespective of the backgrounds and everything, मतलब उनको ऐसे फोड़ना है भाई लाइफ में कुछ.
Absolutely.
अच्छा, my last question. यार देखो, पेरेंट्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स ओनली वॉच दिस, तो उनके आई नो वैसे तो मिराई स्कूल ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इज वेरी अफोर्डेबल, बट what are the kind of scholarships they can expect and what are the kind of ROI or placements they can get? Kuch,
No,
if you can give them any tips.
No, absolutely. And I think the whole ethos of Mirai School of Technology to begin with, for those of our students who do not know, हमारा यार 2 चीज़ें बहुत क्लियर थी when we were launching Mirai. पहला, डिग्री पे कभी कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करेंगे. द डिग्री हैज़ टू बी AICTE UGC अप्रूव्ड, सिंपली फॉर द रीज़न कि 4 साल बाद आप जो भी करना चाहो आप एलिजिबल होने चाहिए. आपको एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप करना है, जॉब करनी है, UPSC का एग्जाम लिखना है, डिफेंस में जाना है, इंडिया के बाहर जाके MBA करना है, इंडिया में MTech करना है, कुछ भी करना हो, द स्टूडेंट शुड बी एलिजिबल. तो वी नेवर वांटेड टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ ऑन डिग्री. सेकंड, हमारी कंपनी की मिशन वैल्यू, द डे वी वर लॉन्चिंग मिराई, हमने बहुत प्राउडली लिखा था मिराई लॉन्च करते वक्त, वी वॉन्ट टू सॉल्व फॉर मेरिटोरियस स्टूडेंट ऑफ मिडिल क्लास ऑफ इंडिया. तो वो हम बहुत शॉर्ट थे. तो इसलिए लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स कम. जो हमारा फीस भी है 10,80,000, लास्ट ईयर 10 लाख था, इस साल 10,80,000 है. एंड इट्स नॉट अ कोइंसिडेंस. हमने 10 लाख भी इसलिए रखा था क्योंकि मेरी बिट्स में फीस 2012 से 16 में 10 लाख थी.
Oh my God! A lot of full circles you are doing.
Jaipur and then Bits,
Bits,
of course. So we are very sure that the kind of, I think I am a product of right education. I have seen it first hand कि अगर एक अच्छी education एक affordable price range में मिलती है तो how it can turn around careers. तो वही था यार कि जयपुर की सिटी में if we can bring that quality of education in an affordable price. 10 साल पहले जो मैंने फीस दी थी वो, तो we started with 10 lakh. That's how it happened. But to make it more affordable, we have 4 kind of scholarship for the students.
Okay.
4 सिंपल स्कॉलरशिप्स. पहली तो मेरिट बेस्ड स्कॉलरशिप है जहाँ पे 100% स्कॉलरशिप मिल सकती है. अब वो कैसे मिलती है, आपको आपका मेंस का एग्जाम सीरियसली देना है और उसका इंटरव्यू सीरियसली देना है. वी कंसिडर ऑल 4 थिंग्स, योर 10th, योर 12th, योर मेंस टेस्ट एंड देन योर इंटरव्यू. इन चारों को कंबाइन करके एक क्यूमुलेटिव एकेडमिक स्कोर बनता है जिसके बेसिस पे हम डिसाइड करते हैं कि आपकी मेरिट बेस्ड स्कॉलरशिप कितनी है.
मिले लोगों को 100%?
100% नहीं मिली है. वी आर स्टिल लुकिंग आउट फॉर समबडी हु कैन गेट 100%.
Guys, I hope somebody watches this video and gets 100% scholarship. Come on, let's take that as a challenge.
Highest we have given so far this year is 60%, and I'm really looking forward for someone to just break that ceiling and
Come
get
on,
more.
60 से तो ऊपर हो ही जाएगा. मेरे बच्चे बहुत अच्छे हैं.
Of course. So there is one, right?
Yes.
Which is merit scholarship. Second is need-based scholarship. Again, the idea is यार फाइनेंसिंग की वजह से कोई अच्छा बच्चा एजुकेशन पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं कर सकता. एज सिंपल एज दैट. इफ़ वी हैव सेलेक्टेड यू, इफ़ वी हैव शॉर्टलिस्टेड यू, यार आप 10th अच्छा करा, 12th अच्छा करा, टेस्ट अच्छा करा, PI अच्छा करा, अगर आपने ये सब कुछ है, यू आर अ आइडियल स्टूडेंट फॉर मिराई. बट बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीज़न फाइनेंशियल कैपेबिलिटी नहीं है, फॉर देम देयर इज अ नीड बेस्ड स्कॉलरशिप कि अगर आपकी फैमिली एनुअल इनकम 5 लाख से कम है ईयरली तो 25% स्कॉलरशिप हम आपको देंगे. That is a merit based scholarship. That is given upfront.
मिली होगी then.
Yes, of course. अगर कोई बच्चा उस कैटेगरी में फॉल करता है, we ask for a simple proof and we give it to them.
Perfect.
No problem at all, boss. मतलब पैसे रीजन नहीं होते कि तुम पढ़ नहीं पाओगे. इसके लिए मेरा ये है वो हम सॉल्व करेंगे.
जिन लोगों को स्कॉलरशिप मिल रही है उनको भी मैकबुक वगैरह मिल रहा है सर?
सब कुछ.
Okay,
मैकबुक इज इंक्लूसिव. स्कॉलरशिप, इमेजिन किसी की अगर 100% स्कॉलरशिप है उसको तो मैकबुक ओवर एंड अबव मिल रहा है, वो तो प्रॉफिट पे है ना. तो अब वो सिंपल है. तो सेकंड ये है विच इज मेरिट कम नीड. थर्ड है हमारी डिफेंस स्कॉलरशिप. ये बहुत क्लोज टू हार्ट है. आई थिंक इट इज़ रियली आवर टाइम टू गिव इट बैक टू देम और पे बैक for whatever services they have provided. So if there is any student जिसके parents defense services से है, any parent in any defense forces, right, army हो, CRPF हो, navy हो, कोई भी हो, उनके लिए भी scholarships है. We, as a sign of respect, we give them 20% scholarship. That's third kind of scholarship. And fourth, and which is most important, is Code Her scholarship. This is for all the girl students. I think at Mirai again, one of the Code Her scholarship. Yeah. Wow. we it बहुत core ethos था यार. Again, we really promote girls education in STEM और engineering में, especially in computer science.
लड़कियाँ कम है वैसे.
लड़कियाँ कम करती हैं. We are clear. We want to maintain a decent gender ratio also. 70-30 हम रखेंगे. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ boys का classroom है. तो Code Her scholarship is again for those girls who really don't want to settle, who want to do something good. So these are 4 scholarships, and of course laptop and everything is inclusive. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि वो अलग है.
बढ़िया. Now that we are here, I think
Yes.
we should very well give them a tour of the new academic block of Mirai School of Technology.
Let's go. Let me show you around here.
Yes.
Chalo. So this is block D. This
Okay.
is where we are. We are starting from the ground floor, of course,
Okay.
but then we go on fully.
Wow. तो
And
फिर थोड़ी देर बाद ये पूरा का पूरा.
this entire building,
Wow.
Yeah,
It's going to
this-
be all Mirai School of
this
Technology.
entire building is gonna be Mirai.
Great.
तो आपने तो पुराने वाले campuses देखी हैं.
Yes, yes,
You know
yes.
कि पहले starting में कैसे होता है, बाद में कैसे होता है.
Right.
तो imagine this door. यहाँ पे biometrics led entry होगी. So
Okay.
only Mirai students and faculties can enter.
Okay. Nobody else can.
Nobody else can enter. वो पूरा lock हो जाएगा system.
And this whole area is going to be taken over.
This complete floor from this end to that end is now taken care by Mirai.
Wow. तो इसमें क्या क्या आने वाला है अर्पित भाई?
यार तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर गोना बी लॉट ऑफ काउंसलिंग रूम्स हियर, डाउट सॉल्विंग रूम्स. हमारे क्लासरूम्स यहाँ बनेंगे. 120 सीटर क्लासरूम, लेक्चर थिएटर भी बनेंगे, 60 सीटर क्लासरूम भी बनेंगे. एप्पल लैब होगी, रोबोटिक्स लैब होगी, AI लैब होगी, कोलैब एरिया होगा उनके लिए.
बच्चे कोलैब एरिया में करते क्या है?
कोलैब एरिया इज द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग कोलैबोरेटिव स्पेस, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. कोलैब एरिया इज द फेवरेट प्लेस फॉर देम टू हैंग आउट. जब भी बच्चा क्लास में नहीं है, वो कोलैब एरिया में है.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि सी वाइल देर इज अ लैब अवेलेबल, बट सबके पास लैपटॉप था ही अपना.
Absolutely.
तो उनको इतनी लैब की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती. तो वेन एवर स्मॉल ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट्स हैव टू हैपन, हैकाथॉन्स की तैयारी करनी है, अगला आने वाले कोडिंग कॉम्पिटिशन की तैयारी करनी है, कोलैब एरिया कम्स अलाइव. I have seen students come up with brilliant projects, brilliant ideas, and they do such a great execution in collab area.
Guys, one thing I can definitely vouch for is when I toured the high-tech campus and the Ratinam campus, nothing was ready, but within a month or so, आप लोगों ने क्या जादू किया that everything became magical. And when I was seeing the faces of the students, so they were so happy seeing the infrastructure. So I'm pretty sure ये भी area पूरा जब revamp हो जाएगा, it's going to come out really, really good. And
Absolutely.
really good amount of spaces you'll have.
Yeah.
वैसे तो अभी मैं देख रहा हूँ तो the quality of the infrastructure is good here.
No, it's quite good. Yeah, it's around 10-12,000 square feet of area
Right.
overall.
Okay.
मतलब for the foundation batch that's gonna come in this year,
Right.
ये शायद आधा ही भरेंगे वो लोग. हम तो
समझ
पूरा
गया.
रेडी कर देंगे.
हाँ.
There's next batch juniors are
Second
also
years.
gonna.
Yes,
Let me show you a classroom यार.
Okay, आ जाओ. Oh wow, ये तो अच्छा लग रहा है.
Yeah, this is the existing classroom.
Okay.
अभी जो जगन्नाथ यूनिवर्सिटी का है, यहाँ पे तो हमने अभी कुछ चेंज भी नहीं करा.
Right.
Imagine now this classroom is gonna be like a theater style classroom
Right.
with ACs, with digital TV boards present here. Again, a classroom of 60 students only.
Honestly, guys, right now also I don't know if camera can do justice on this or not because अभी हमने lights वगैरह ऑन नहीं किए हैं. But the quality of the classroom currently is also really good. और जब ये मिराई के colors में आ जाएगा, with the lovely
Absolutely.
colors, it's going to turn out to be really good. So I'm eagerly waiting for that. And you know,
Yeah.
once you guys come and start doing your coding from day one. So yes, thank you, Arpit bhai. Thank you so much. आपका
Welcome,
बहुत time
yeah.
ले लिया, but wish
No,
you
no,
all
thank
the
you so
best
much.
for all the upcoming admissions.
Thank you so much, yaar. Thank you so much for all the help that you provided. Thank you.
Guys, the sign of a good campus is when they have multiple outdoor spaces, and this is one such space here at Mirai School of Technology. Guys, welcome to the amphitheater. This has good amount of outdoor seating, which I'm pretty sure specifically in the evenings, students would love to sit. Now we heard the founder when he was talking about having multiple activities and cultural events, and I think this is going to be that one area where a lot of those are going to happen. Guys, this is going to be your stage area. So whenever students want to perform dance, music, theatre, they would come here and have the audience there, which again looks really nice. Also, I'm pretty sure in the evenings, students would love to do the jamming and all of those things here. Now guys, I'm going to take you to one area which is definitely going to be your hotspot whenever you feel hungry, which is the AN Cafeteria, which is the cafe here at Mirai School of Technology. Come with me. Alright guys, so this is the cafeteria. Now please understand, this is a cafeteria. They also have a full-fledged mess where you can come for your breakfast, lunch and dinner. But this is the area where you would want to spoil yourself with, having multiple things. Okay, I can see the menu. So we have the vada pav here, we have the burger here, we have the puffs. They also have ice creams and pizzas, pastas, all those things. I haven't eaten anything right now, but whenever you guys come on the campus, make sure you come, you try everything and then let me know which is your favorite thing, so we'll wait for that. So yeah, all in all, this looks good. It's not very big as a cafeteria, it's a small cafeteria only, but I hope the food is tasty because that's all that matters. Guys, I have gotten hold of Pratishta. In the morning when I came on the campus, she was taking a counseling call. Pratishta, आप कहाँ से हो?
झारखंड से।
तो मिराई में भी एडमिशन ले लिए? तो झारखंड से जयपुर क्यों?
क्योंकि यहाँ पे न्यू टेक सिस्टम से पढ़ाया जा रहा है, प्रैक्टिकली सब कुछ, और बाकी सब कॉलेजेस में अभी ये सब नहीं आया है, सिर्फ थ्योरेटिकल पढ़ाया जाता है। यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिकल भी पढ़ाया जाएगा इस वजह से।
अच्छा, तो आपको मिराई के बारे में पता कैसे चला?
सोशल मीडिया से।
अच्छा अंकल, आप लोगों ने भी अभी ये पूरा मिराई स्कूल ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी का कैंपस देखा, तो आपको क्या अच्छा लगा और क्या बुरा लगा?
कैंपस अच्छा था, केवल हॉस्टल कुछ थोड़ा सा अच्छा ही लगा, बाकी सब अच्छा लगा।
अच्छा, और आंटी आपको?
हाँ, मुझे भी सब अच्छा लगा। कैंपस अच्छा है, बिल्डिंग भी इसके अच्छे हैं।
तो आपको लग रहा है ठीक से पढ़ाई वढ़ाई कर लेगी ये? आप लोग इसके डिसीजन से खुश हो कि ये ट्रेडिशनल कॉलेज नहीं जा रही है और एक न्यू एज कॉलेज में आ रही है?
हाँ,
नया चीज़ पढ़ रही है, नया चीज़ करेगी तो उसे और अच्छा नहीं गेन करेगी वो अपने लिए।
ये बात तो एकदम सही है। तो अंकल आंटी, आपको लग नहीं रहा है लड़की है, अभी अभी क्लास 12 खत्म की, अब इतनी दूर चले जाएगी आप लोगों से?
उसका लाइफ अच्छा करना है ना हमको, तो वो तो सेक्रीफाइस करना ही पड़ेगा आपको। बेटी को अगर अच्छा भविष्य देना है आपको, तो आगे तो आपको उसके लिए कुछ ना कुछ सेक्रीफाइस करना ही पड़ेगा आपको।
व्हाट अ ग्रेट पेरेंट्स यू हैव अंकल। बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोगों से बात करके और आपकी फॉरवर्ड थिंकिंग को समझ के। एंड थैंक यू सो मच प्रतिष्ठा, विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर जर्नी। मैं आता रहूँगा इस कैंपस में, तो जब आपके 6 महीने हो जाएंगे, साल हो जाएगा, उसके बाद भी आऊँगा, मैं आपसे रिव्यू लूँगा कि जो सोचा था, प्रॉमिस किया था, हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, कैसे पढ़ाई करवा रहे हैं। सो आई विल कीप देम इन चेक, ठीक है? Chalo, thank you so much uncle, thank you. Very nice meeting you, thank you. Guys, even though Mirai School of Technology is a new age college, which means you have a lot of coding to do and a lot of assignments and projects to build, all of those things, but that does not mean that you will not be doing the other important things, and one such things are sports. Guys, right now I am on the basketball court here at Mirai School of Technology. In the evenings, once your classes and everything are done, I'm pretty sure students would love to spend their energy on using multiple sports. Now the beauty of having a 12-acre campus is that you have a lot of sports, specifically outdoor sports. So this is the basketball court and there's another basketball court that side. Along with that, behind there, I don't know if you can see well or not, but there's a proper football field which again is huge. This side there's a proper cricket area where you can play cricket. That side you have the volleyball as well as the badminton area. So pretty good sports are here, which I'm pretty sure all you students are going to love, specifically the ones who are staying in the hostel, because after your classes are done, what would you want to really do? So come here and play the sports. Guys, I don't know how many times I've told you this, but I genuinely would like to confess that the outdoors of this campus are really very good. There's so much greenery and calmness which is there, which again looks really very nice. And these small gardens and parks that they have, I'm pretty sure students would love to sit and chit chat with their friends and all of those things. Now guys, coming to one of the very important parts for all you people, please listen to this very, very carefully, is about the residential facility. Now Mirai School of Technology has hostel facility inside the campus, both for boys and for girls. So if you want to stay inside the hostels of Mirai School of Technology, you're most welcome to do that. There are multiple varieties of room, double sharing, triple sharing, AC, non-AC, all of those things. I'll put out these details in the description of this video, so make sure you go check it up. However, the hostels are not compulsory. That means if you are a localite, you have your house in Jaipur or you want to stay outside on your own, whether in a PG or an apartment, you're most welcome to do that. Right now, let me take you to one of the demo rooms to give you a tour or a sneak peek inside how a hostel room here will look like. Come with me. Alright guys, now I've come to the boys hostel because this is where I'll give you a tour of one of the demo rooms. Obviously girls hostel mein to permission nahi milti. Guys, this is 011, so if you all end up staying in this particular room, you need to comment below and let me know. Come inside now. Ta-da! Guys, welcome to the demo room of the boys hostel here at Mirai School of Technology. Now this is a double sharing room which is going to be shared by 2 boys. So you have 2 beds here, you have 2 study tables here, you have a window for natural lighting, and you have an AC. So this is an AC room, which again is really very good. All in all guys, the space in the room is really very good, which is nice, and it all looks very freshly painted, which is again good. There are multiple varieties of room like I told you. Another very important thing which is very unique also, guys, they have good amount of storage here. So they have 2 cupboards. Along with that, even on the top there is storage. So whatever things you don't need, you can keep it up there, which again is really very nice. And there's a space for one more bed. I shouldn't give them good ideas though. Guys, along with that, even in the girls' hostel, the rooms will be very similar to how it is here. So I hope you like the tour of the hostels. Alright guys, I'm almost towards the end of my campus tour video here for Mirai School of Technology's Jaipur campus. For the very last time, I know you guys will be like, Bhaiya, bas karo, kitni baar bologe? But again guys, look at the greenery on the campus. Even now, I'm sitting in this one area which is a common bench sort of a thing. But here again, you know, under the shade of the trees, you have such a good garden and greenery, which again looks really nice. I think that has been one of my major highlights of visiting this campus. Now guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. I hope each and everything about Mirai School of Technology and their Jaipur campus is clear. If you still have any doubts, questions, queries, make sure you comment below and I'll be more than happy to reply. Guys, I'll also try visiting the high-tech campus of Mirai School of Technology because a lot of you students will ask me doubts. Via, please take a review of the first year students. How was their year? What all did they like? What all did they not like? But I will try. The next time that I'm there in the Delhi NCR region, I will surely try visiting the campus and getting a review of those students as well. So if in case you have any particular questions you want me to specifically ask those students, make sure you comment below and I'll be more than happy to ask those students as well. Guys, please share this video amongst your friends, family members or anybody who's trying to do BTech super soon. Along with that, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon. I'll see you all with another video. Take care guys.